to the channel. So in previous day we have got the lots of query regarding the how we can publish your app into the in using the Firebase host service. So today we will see how we can publish our app in using the Firebase hosting. So we have one more idea. We can publish the Firebase hosting service, another hosting service. First we will see the how we can use the Firebase. So if you create your prototype application or already done, if everything working fine. So this is the my Pro application, and this is the already working. Everything is working. Now we will see how we can publish. So you can see here is the one code, switch to code. Using this button, you can get you can keep your source code in private repo. If in future if you want to anything do changes, so you can change easily using your repo. So now I have already keep this repo in our personal repo. See, currently this showing two more changes, so I just sync with my personal repo. This is will create one more post. Okay, so using this git control, source git control, you can keep your code in private repo. After then you go to this publish button. If you want to publish using the Firebase host, just click on publish. This is too easy way. Here you need to one Google billing account. Just you if you don't have, you need to create your credit card, debit card using create one more billing account. After then this showing one more option. So now I have already a billing account, so I'm clicking here. I just click on here link billing account. After this everything working, you can set up service. You can see after it will take 5 to 10 minutes. This will give you the complete public domain. There you can see your application. Also, if you have a private domain name, you can use the DNS mapping service. You can map your DNS to this service. So now you can see the Firebase enable, and you click on the publish now, publish later. If you click on publish now, you get the public URL. See, we have get the public URL. So using this, you can check your code in publicly. Also, if you don't want to this type of domain, you can map your personal DNS using the Firebase. If you already don't know how you can map your DNS to the this hosting service, let me know. I will soon create one more video for this. So it will take 5 minutes. After then you can get this service on this link. This is the public, currently not found, but after 5 to 10 minutes you can see that this is working. So thank you.